are doing agreement of the verb with the subject. What we did now is filling in the correct form of verb. Now I'll give you one exercise. I give you wrong verbs. You read, understand whether the verb is agreeing or not agreeing. If it is not agreeing, then you strike off and put in the correct verb. That's what we are going to do. Okay? So, correct the following sentences and rewrite. Instead of rewriting, what we will do, we'll only strike off and write the correct verb. That's what we are going to do together. Okay. Correct the following. Correct the following correct the following sentences. That's what we're going to correct the following sentences. Okay? The first sentence we have, every boy and girl are ready. Every boy and girl are ready. Neither of them were right. Neither of them. Neither of them were right. Rice and dal. Rice and dal are his daily food. His daily food. The police was police was investigating the case. The United States of America are a rich country. My friend and benefactor and have come. He and his mother he and his mother. He and his mother is arrived. Your spectacles, your spectacles was broken. The formation of alphabets are important. Mathematics are taught in school. My trousers is black. That's enough. I have done 11. I have done here with you 11 sentences. First, we'll identify the verbs, we will underline, and then we make changes if need be. Every boy and girl are. Neither of them were. Rice and dal, yeah, are is there. The police, there was. United States of America, are, yes. Next one, my friend and benefactor have. He and his mother is. Your spectacles was. The formation of alphabets are. Mathematics are. And here I have underlined for you all the, rather we did it together. Now correct the following sentences. We know they are wrong. Now what we are going to do is, instead of rewriting, we will strike off and write the correct form of verb here. Now, every boy and girl, not are, is ready. Every boy and girl is ready. Neither of them were right. Neither of them was right. Neither of them was. Neither of them. Rice and dal is his daily food. Is. Rice and dal is his daily food. Then what is the next one? The police was investigating. Were investigating. The police were investigating the case. Good. United States of America. That's only one place. The United States of America are a rich country. Is a rich country. United States of America is. My friend and benefactor. Your friend, your both same person. My friend and benefactor does not have, has come. Very good. He and his mother, he and his mother, he and his mother have arrived. He, one person, and his mother, not is arrived. He and his mother have arrived. Your spectacles. Spectacle is a, always said it, plural, so plural form. Your spectacles were, not was, were broken. Were. Your spectacles were broken. The formation of alphabets are important. The formation of alphabet. Each alphabet has to be formed properly. The formation of alphabet is, every letter is important, not are. Mathematics again, although it's got many divisions, is taken as a whole single. Mathematics is taught. Mathematics is not are. My trousers, again trousers is plural. My trousers is black. My trousers not is, are. Let's look at all the sentences again. Every boy and girl is ready. Neither of them was right. Rice and dal is his daily food. The police not was investigating, the police were investigating. The United States of America is a rich country. My friend and benefactor, both the same person, has come. He and his mother have arrived. Your spectacles were broken. The formation of alphabets is important. Mathematics is taught in school. My trousers are black. So we applied the 13 rules and we have come to correct the sentences agreeing with the verb and the subject.